You're watching NewsNet India. President Kovind was welcomed by the Chief Minister and the Governor in his native village. President Ramnath Kovind reaches his birthplace at Parok village in Kanpur, Dehat district on Sunday morning, where he was received by Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The public relation officer of the Superintendent of Police said that Patel and Adityanath welcomed President Kovind to his native village Parok. Kovind, accompanied by his wife and daughter, went to Pathri Devi temple where he offered prayers. Kovind visited Parok village along with Patel and Adityanath. Unlock 5 launches in Delhi. Gym, Yoga Institute and Marriage Hall open from today. Looking improvement in the situation of COVID-19, the Delhi government has given permission to operate gyms and yoga institutes from today. Along with this, from today, marriage halls, hotels and banquet halls have also been allowed to organize marriage ceremony with maximum of 50 people. Student dissatisfied with the evaluation formula will be able to give written examination in August, said by Education Minister Nishank. Students of class 10th and 12th who are not satisfied with the evaluation formula of CBSE can give written examination in August. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has given this information on Friday. Nishank is admitted to AIIMS due to complications after COVID. He shared this information on Twitter from the hospital bed itself. Education Minister Nishank to answer question on social media to students regarding 10th and 12th examination yesterday, but due to some reason it could not be organized, and by posting an audio message he gave the option of written examination in August. Special train services started for the passenger going to Vaishno Devi. Indian Railway has announced the operation of many trains since the second wave of corona slowdown. Now, the railways has started operating the Karnataka-Katra special train. Train operations have started from Sunday. According to railways, all 22 coaches in this train are of reserved category. This is a weekly special train that will leave Kamakhya every Sunday at 11 am and reaches Vaishno Devi, that is Katra, at 3:45 pm on Tuesday. Drone used for the first time in Jammu Airways attack. New Delhi. The ability of drones to evade radar, cause destruction at strategic sites and deliver weapons to terrorists has been a constant concern for the country's security establishment. In the first such incident, these drones were used to attack an Air Force base in Jammu on Sunday. Pakistan-based terrorists used drones to drop 2 bombs at the Indian Air Force station in Jammu Satwari area in the dark of night, causing minor damage to a building and injuring 2 Air Force personnel. Lowest death from corona. After 81 days, there was a huge reduction in the case under treatment. The cases of corona have once again given a new hope to the country, giving great relief. Today, there has been a decline in a new case of corona after 46,148 new cases of COVID-19 reported in the country in a day. A total number of infection cases increased to 3,279,331. The number of cases under treatment has come down to 5,72,994. Fake note worth rupees 5 crore seized in Balaghat. A large consignment of fake notes has been caught in Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. Police have arrested 8 people. Fake note worth more than 5 crore have been found from them. Among them, there are notes of 10 to 2,000 rupees. This gang was running fake notes in Balaghat and Gondia in Maharashtra. Among the arrested accused, 6 are from Balaghat and 2 from Gondia, Maharashtra. The crime branch caught the miscreant who carried out the robbery incident in Bhopal and Indore. The crime branch team of the capital achieving great success in arresting the robbers who looted 50,000 rupees in the different cities in the interstate level. The arrested miscreant disclosed matter of carrying out 2 robberies in Kohifiza area of Bhopal and 3 robberies in Indore city and 1 theft. The police team has recovered goods worth rupees 4.5 lakh including Activa and 6 gold chains, 3 mobiles used in the incident from the robbers.